A student has just logged on and this is their home page or their landing page. So to get into the learning tasks, it's exactly the same as whether a teacher goes into the learning tasks. So while we as teachers will click on the little blue man with the pencil to write the learning tasks, students will look at the little, also click that to see the learning tasks that have been assigned for them. So when we click on that, a pop-up window will come up and the student will be able to see the learning tasks that are assigned to them. So this is the one that we assigned a second ago, okay? And we'll have a look to see how that looks for students. But as you can see, along the top is their home page for this. They can also click on classes, see the classes that they're assigned to, progress, they can see the progression points that teachers have given them, and observations, notes and such that the teachers have given throughout, but they also have opportunities to write their own observations as well. Okay, jumping back into home, all a student needs to do is click on the learning item and it will pop up on their space. So obviously this at the moment we can see is a learning task, which means that the students complete it completely offline and the instructions are just underneath, okay? And that's pretty much all that the students will see for a learning task. We can tell because they've opened it that it's now dated as in progress. We'll jump back and have a look at a couple of the other types of learning items that have been assigned to this student. One of them is pizza delivery problem. And by opening that, we can see what a submission looks like for students. Okay, so we have the instructions here, and we also have a button here for the students to submit some work. So they can write, answer these questions in here. They can also add an attachment, and they can also record their response. I will just press back. Okay, and we'll also look at up here, which is a learning journal, and they're just asking, you know, what is your favourite TV show? Find 10 reasons why, and find some friends that agree with you. And all they need to do to put another new entry into their journal is to click on their entries, and they can type that in and it's done. And again, they also are able to put recording or an attachment in there. Okay, and as soon as that's saved, it will come up on the teacher's class that it has been finished. Okay, and that is what it looks like for us.